We got a 2019 Hellcat Charger. Came through, we just straight piped it. We left the cats on. We have DJ spraying it down. The customer came in and these are carven tips that he already had, so we just replaced those. Let's take a look underneath. Right here, we didn't spray this down yet, but this is where we did the work in the center. Took out those mid mufflers. Right over here. Sorry about that noise, guys. And then in the rear, we took out the rear mufflers. Again, those 5-inch carven tips right there. This thing's gonna sound like a beast. Guys, also we are franchising, I say that all the time, so check all the links in the description if you want to own a G exhaust. All right, let's fire it up.